Yeah, hello everyone. In previous video we've seen about the header, and in this video we can see about the slider for the website. Here I have used two external CSS file and also two JavaScript files, and I will give that two links in the description, or I will post in the GitHub so that you can refer it. Now we want to select images for the slider, so I usually use pixels for selecting the image because it will be so clarity, and you can download it for free also. There is no cost for it, and the image will be so clarity so that you can use in your websites. I have already downloaded the three images. Yeah, as usual we start with the div with a class name slider. With the slider we can add the style for your images, and the div tag act as a container for your image slider. Yeah, inside the slider it contains three div element with an attribute slide, and the CSS rule for the slide class will determine how these individual slide are displayed. The slide must be displayed individually, so here we use the three images for slider, and the image element that display an image, and src attribute specifies that the image file to be displayed. Here you can see that the image is displayed one after another. Yeah, now we are going to write a script which will display an image one after another with a millisecond. So here the $document.ready function, this function wait for the entire document to be ready before executing the enclosed JavaScript code. It ensures that it it ensures that the code doesn't run before the page is fully loaded. The code is run only if the page is fully loaded. Yeah, now the code dot slider which is the attribute, and dot slick which is uses the slick library which we have added in external CSS to make the slider function, and dots true is used to use as a navigation dot to the slider to for easy navigation, and autoplay is true because set the slider to autoplay with some seconds, that autoplay speed must be like 5000 milliseconds, that it will automatically slide after that seconds end. Yeah, now we are changing the background color of the header. So in previous we have the background color as black, and now we are adding the slider, so we can make the background color as like a transparent color so that it may suit for all the sliding image. And here we are using z index as 1. By setting z index value you can control which element appear on the top of other. Now we are giving the style for slider, and using the position as relative, and the width is 100% as we want the full width of the image, and height is 70 vh stands for the viewport height. By using viewport height we can see the 70% of the height of the image, and we use overflow as hidden here because this is usually context of the image slider because you want to display only one image at a time, so we are using the overflow as hidden. Hidden will hide any content that goes beyond the defined determination. Now you can see the full width of the image and also the height of the image. Here as usual we are giving the display as flex because the image will be placed one after another, and we are using the transition transform one as yes in and out. This explains that this transition property is used to for a smooth transition. That 1 second is a transition speed. Here we are going to give the flex as 0, 0 and 100%. This property control how the slide flex within their container. 0, 0, 100% means that the slide won't grow or shrink to fit available space, and as usual we giving the width as 100% and height as 100%. After that we are giving the background size as a cover. This property determines how the background image is sized within the slider. The cover value ensures that the image covers that entire slider while maintaining its aspect ratio, and the background position will be mentioned as center. And here I have given the external link below. It must be kept only in the top of the script tag, and now you can see that the image is sliding. In that you can see that there is a little bit gap in the right side. Now you can fix it by giving the pixel size correct. Now the slider is ready. See you in the next video.